Just another quick video. So I have this Unitech um, 2 drive, what do you call it, USB-C duplicator. I don't know, what do you want to call it? Anyway, the reason I'm showing you this video is because the fan down here started making really bad noise. So I finally took it apart. As you can see, I got the buttons in the front over there. And basically, in order to open it, just lift the corners right there. You have 4 screws on each corner, and then you can just pop this thing out. And as you can see, there's all the dust, but especially small fans, the dust will always kill the fans really quick. And as you can see, this is a very small fan, but man, that thing got annoying, even though it's not as dirty as you would think. But once it gets into the fan, all hell breaks loose and they're loud. I got a couple of fans around here somewhere, so exactly the same size, so I'll change it. But just wanted to show you what this looks like, because you can actually copy drives on these. It takes forever, but it's doable. Now we're just using it for USB storage, since the router has the storage USB port, excuse me. And looking at it here, even on the bottom there, you can't really see much. I thought there might be some big chip or something, but nope. There's hardly anything in there, just a couple of small chips. There's a front button, so not a lot to it other than that fan. So I'm trying to figure out if I should just make a bigger hole here. I can put like 4, what do you call those, rubber feet on here, open it up, lift it so there's more air going through it. I don't know, that's just hacking it, but I just updated the nest, so I'm probably just gonna fix this and not use it for that anymore. Just start using the nest again and just leave it alone. But yeah, there you go. You've never seen one of these open. That's all it is. Just one board on the bottom there, the lights over here. It's very clean, actually. Right there, those are the connections. One cable, it's all solder, so nothing's coming off, which may be a good or a bad thing if you're taking them apart and trying to fix them. Not much to it though, nothing to fix other than the fan, which sucks because that one should have a nice connector, and they solder that, which sucks because they do go bad, and now I gotta change it. But I think I might have some pins I can put on there so I can use a connector instead. That way it's easier to change instead of trying to do that. Not a big deal, but there you go. Kind of cool. So I decided to take this fan apart because it was making noise, and I'm like, let me see if I can snap this off. Sure enough, it comes right off. I cleaned it with the let's see, what is this, electronic cleaner, and of course this tiny spring and what do you call it, bearing just fell off outside, and I was lucky to find them again. I just used the magnet to see if I could find them, because those two sit in here and that's what holds it in there, but that bearing apparently is gone. But the best part is I have a lot of 250 helicopter bearings, tiny bearings, and let me see the number here, BR0205025, which is this one, actually fits. So I'm going to bring this back, put it together, so that spring goes in there, and then this actually fits. It's the perfect fit. And see, just goes like that, and now if I put it back, maybe it'll work again. Well, it should work because it's not it's just magnetic, it just sits on there. And now I have a quiet fan again. Woohoo! Sometimes you just get lucky like that. See, it just kind of bounces up and down because it's on the middle spring there, but I'm just gonna remember how I took it out. Anyways, let me put it back. Anyways, what I was trying to say, it's brushless, and listen to this. It's brand new again. So I didn't have to change the fan, I just had to change the bearing and clean it because there was a lot of dust in there. And it's ready to go again, so I'm good. I do have some, but I don't have them here. I can't find them. But there you go. That's kind of cool. And there you go. Nice quiet fan again. Just a cleaning and a new bearing. Nice.